YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. I recently upgraded my tail gut into a titanium version. So now the violin sounds a little bit more intense, maybe a little bit more metallic sound. I don't know if I'm still completely sold on the titanium, but it's interestingly changes the sound quite a bit. You would think such a minor detail wouldn't matter, but it does, it matters. Interesting. Anyway, this is a cool etude. Wonderful, great little etude for warming up, for practicing double stops, for practicing also martelet stroke, hooked bowing as you're if you were, and just really great etude overall. There's lots of interesting things happening here, so I think it should be added to your collection of double stops etudes to practice on sort of a semi-regular basis, maybe. Once a year or twice a year might be a good idea to revisit. If you guys enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and also joining as a supporter, as a paid member. It's not expensive, it's really easy to do, but it would make a really big difference for me and would provide support for me to, purchase things such as this and many others, so I can provide quality content for the rest of the world, for the rest of you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that.